Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is to know everything perfectly from the Supreme Authority, Krishna. This is the process. Tad vijnanartham sadgurumeva abhigachet. In order to understand subject matter which is beyond our perception, you have to approach such authority who can inform you. Exactly in the same way. To understand who is my father is beyond my perception, beyond my speculation. But if I accept the authoritative statement of my mother, this is perfect. So there are three kinds of processes to understand or to advance in knowledge. One is direct perception, pratyaksh, and the other is authority, and the other is Sruti. Sruti by hearing from the Supreme. So our process is Sruti. Sruti means we hear from the highest authority. That is our process. And that is very easy. Highest authority, if he is not in default, and ordinary persons, they are in default. They have got imperfection. The first imperfection is the ordinary man, they commit mistake. Any great man of the world you have seen that they commit mistake. And they are illusion. They accept something as reality, which is not reality. Just like we accept this body as reality. This is called illusion, but this is not reality. I am soul, that is reality. So this is called illusion. And then with this illusory knowledge, imperfect knowledge, we become teacher. And there is another cheating. They say, all these scientists and philosophers, perhaps it may be, what is your knowledge? It may be and perhaps. Why you are taking the post of a teacher? In future, we shall understand, what is this future? We do accept a post-dated check. In future, I shall discover, and therefore I am scientist. What is the scientist? And above all, our imperfectness of senses. Just like we are seeing one another, because there is light. If there is no light, then what is the power of my seeing? But these rascals do not understand that they are always defective, and still they are writing books of knowledge. What is the knowledge? We must take knowledge from the perfect person. Therefore, we are taking knowledge from Krishna, the Supreme Person, the perfect person. And he is advising that if you want to stop your pains and pleasure, then you must make some arrangement not to accept this material body. That is advising Krishna. How to avoid this material body. That has been explained. This is the second chapter. In the fourth chapter, Krishna has said that Janma karma me dibbam jujanati tattata takta deham punarjanma naiti mamiti. You simply try to understand the activities of Krishna. These activities of Krishna is there in the history, in the Mahabharata. Mahabharata means greater India, or greater Bharat, Mahabharata, history. In that history, this Bhagavad-gita is also there. So he is speaking about himself. He try to understand Krishna. This is our Krishna consciousness movement. Simply try to understand Krishna, his activities. It is not impersonal. Janma karma me dibbam. Karma means activities. He has activities. Why he is taking part in this world, activities? Why he comes? Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. Abhutthanam adharmasya. Tadatmanam srijamaham. He has got some purpose, he has got some mission. So try to understand Krishna and his mission and his activities that described in a historical form. So what is the difficulty? We read so many things history or the activities of some leader, some politician. The same thing, same energy you apply for understanding Krishna. Very difficult. Krishna, therefore, he manifests himself with so many activities. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,